Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, I'm gonna teach you few chat abbreviations. Are you ready to learn, friends? Great! Come on, let's start. An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. Chat abbreviations are acronyms and slang terms used to shorten the amount of text you type when chatting online or on a cell phone. Let's see few chat abbreviations. Number 1. ACK, acknowledgement. ACK, acknowledgement. Number 2. ASAP, as soon as possible. ASAP, as soon as possible. Number 3. ATB, all the best. ATB, all the best. Number 4. AAMOF, as a matter of fact. AAMOF, as a matter of fact. Number 5. AAMOI, as a matter of interest. AAMOI, as a matter of interest. Number 6. APP, application. APP, application. Number 7. BTW, by the way. BTW, by the way. Number 8. BFF, best friends forever. BFF, best friends forever. Number 9. BF, boyfriend. BF, boyfriend. Number 10. BTT, back to topic. BTT, back to topic. Number 11. COZ, COS, BCOZ, BCOS. Because. COZ, COS, BCOZ, BCOS. Because. Number 12. CWOT, complete waste of time. CWOT, complete waste of time. Number 13. CU, 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 CU. Number 14. DIY, do it yourself. DIY, do it yourself. Number 15. FYI, for your information. FYI, for your information. Number 16. FAQ, frequently asked questions. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Number 17. GF, girlfriend. Number 17. GF, girlfriend. Number 18. HBD, happy birthday. HBD, happy birthday. Number 19. HAND, have a nice day. HAND, have a nice day. Number 20. HF, have fun. HF, have fun. Number 21. IC, 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 IC. Number 22. LOL, laughing out loud. LOL, laughing out loud. Number 23. LMK, let me know. LMK, let me know. Number 24. OMG, oh my God. OMG, oh my God. Number 25. OFC, of course. OFC, of course. Number 26. OTW, on the way. OTW, on the way. Number 27, OTOH, on the other hand. OTOH, on the other hand. Number 28, PLZ, please. PLZ, please. Number 29, ROFL, rolling on floor and laughing. ROFL, rolling on floor and laughing. Number 30, RIP, rest in peace. RIP, rest in peace. Let the souls that left us in 2020 rest in peace. Okay friends, see you soon with a new concept. If you know some more chat abbreviations, share with us in the comment section. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.